Hello everyone, in this demo, we highlight how HexaSync syncs sales order data from Haravan to Dynamics 365 Fando. After logging into the Haravan system, go to the Order modules to create a new order. Click on Create an Order. Then, fill in the order information. Click Complete Selection. Choose the client and then click Paid. To complete an order, click Completed. So we just successfully created an order with code number 100239. Now, let's go to the HexaSync platform. On the screen, you can see various profiles that HexaSync serves for different integration demands. Choose the Haravan Microsoft Dynamics Fando profile to check the integration processes. There are all the HexaSync tasks running for synchronizing data between Haravan and Dynamics 365 Fando. To monitor the sales order data, click on the task Sales Order. Enter the order number on the search bar. You can see that the sales order is successfully pulled from the Haravan to HexaSync. By the destination ID, we can ensure the order has been updated to Dynamics 365 Fando. Go to the Sales Order module on the Dynamics 365 Fando. Let's paste the copied destination ID into the search bar. As you can see, the order has been successfully synced from Haravan to Microsoft Dynamics FNO. We've shown how to sync the sales order data from Haravan to Dynamics 365 Fando using the HexaSync platform. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us. Thanks for watching this video and remember to like and subscribe to our channel. Be Hexa. Connecting applications, automating processes.